Welcome back to my channel. So I am setting out to go and see my gym instructor because my life is about to take a new turn. Yes, and I'm so happy to say that. So I'm going with my baby, and yeah, I started walking today, but I need to start leaving now because the time is already 1 o'clock. I'm gonna book my taxi right now. Let me grab my phone. All right, guys, I'm out of here, but I can never go out without diapers, pampers, all those things. I have to go with them. Diapers. So I'm gonna put my things in my bag just in case. This door. Give us. Mama, let's go. I'm also putting this in the bag. Confirm and pay. I'm also putting her food in the bag. Let's go, guys. I'm ready. It's not the best. Yes. Pick up in 1 minute. Okay. Who's driving? Alright, guys. I will see you later. Bye. The floor is still very slippery. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're done. I am done registering. I did some tests. I did everything. Now I can easily come here to swim, to do anything. So it's got like gym, swim, and classes. So I'm starting with the classes first. Then we go over to other things. The good thing about this whole thing is I didn't even know this place exists where kids can actually come and swim, come and play. Like, I'm gonna give it a try. So let's just go right there. Over there. Let me see what it looks like. Now that I have the card with me, let's go and see if we can, just look around. I'm actually done now and I'm going home. I need to go home. The place is really nice. It's in Huddersfield. If you don't know Huddersfield, that's where I stay. And yes, so one of these days I'm going to bring Triumph and the sister. They come around and play. I don't want to come here alone. So on a Saturday, I'm going to come here, book a ticket, and then we go to the play area where Triumph is going to play, and that day we're going to vlog it. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening, and I'm out of here. Mommy, did some shopping. That's mine. It's for my phone. It's for my phone because you guys always throw my phone about. I needed a black bag. I was going to put my laptop in it. I got one. So I got this one. Very nice. For work. Leave it. I'm also going to use it for work. Annabelle, stop. You put this inside. What to eat? Eh? Got this from Primark at £3. Got some socks. Yeah. Get more for my baby. Got this one for trial. This one. So my daughter's boots got lost. The small baby. Her boots got lost on the way because it was not fitting. Hopefully this one will fit. Because I was asking them, will it fit? Will it fit? They were like, oh yeah, we fit. Just check. So we got these boots. They're very cute. Very cute. I got them for £11. So I got this ones too. They are all Tama resistant. Like inside of it is I got this one for Hannibal. This one is for Hannibal as well. And then this one for trial. I hope it's not big. Okay. If it's big, she wears. Most of them I got them for half the price. I always window shop a lot. I do a lot of window shopping. Mommy, just to find out.
Mommy, what is that?
It's for charging my phone. I do a lot of window shopping just
to
close the door. I do a lot of window shopping just to find out when exactly they are doing sales. That's why. So when I know that their sales is about to start, I'll just go and ask. Move away.
Hey.
I'll go and ask, and then they will tell me, yeah, they're about to start window shopping. I got this cup. It's on sale. Hey! I got this cup for £8. It's on sale. Very nice because I'm going to be starting my weight loss very soon. Move.
Mommy,
I'm going to be starting my weight loss journey.
Mommy,
gymming very soon, so I will need to be hydrated. My instructor said, get yourself a very big cup of water. Big cup. The other one I got is big, but everybody's using it. So this one now, I know that this one is strictly for gymming.
Mommy.
Yep, I got that one, and yeah, that's all, and that's it.
Mommy.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Turn off, Hannibal. Thank you so. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. That's all I've got. See the ones I got for you, Triumph.
Is that
I got this for you. It's not a trouser. It's for cold. Let's see if it's your size. It's her size. Oh, hey, wow. I got this one for Hannibal. It's like they are like warm socks.
Mommy, is this for me?
It's like cozy leggings. Inside of it is very cool. Yeah. Got those ones. Yeah. So learn how to shop when they are on sale. Not big sales doesn't mean. And when they don't buy all these things, they tend to send them to, what do you call? Why are you following the camera now? When you don't shop all these things, they tend to send them to, you know, these charity shops or all these second fairly used shops. And that's it. So this is it. That's all we got there.
And that's mine.
And that's yours. Yeah, but it looks a bit big for you though, but I'm an African mom, I will fold it. I got this for £6 and I got this for £6 as well. So
this is for me.
£12. If I bought this in online, maybe it would be half the price. Primark. Half price. For children, this one I got one for £3. Very, very warm.
Is that for
You can wear it to church, you can wear it, because it's cold. The weather is really cold now, and I got some socks for my girl, my Hannibal. My baby, my baby. You see when she's looking into the camera, this girl, so dramatic. So that's all we've got. So today was actually stressless. It was not really stressful. But yeah, it was a bit stressful because I I almost missed picking up Triumph from school. Hey! I almost missed picking up. Don't go there again. If you see how this house is, guys, my people. Anyway, Triumph fetch me a cup of water. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this far. I really like this boots. I got your boots already. I got your boots, 19 pounds. So I got this boots.
There's no.
This boots. Pick up, put this up, use it. Okay, just me. Take your hands off now.
But I don't want drinking it.
You have to share. Do you understand me? Are you a stingy girl? You're a stingy girl. So all these things I bought for you, is that how you tell me thank you? I'll return them. I should return it. So say thank you and share your juice. You need to be learning how to share, okay? Alright guys, I'll see you much later. I'm really tired. Let me come on. I'm not tired that I'm not coming to rest. No, I'm not coming to clean. I'll show you how this house is. I clean every blessed day, every day. And I get very tired, very exhausted. What to do? I use it to do exercise. It's not enough because you won't even sweat. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.